Hey everyone, it's Ratgirl, and I'm here with another episode of Let's Test This Mold. Can't believe I never thought of this until now. Stuff around your house that could be more cool. Doorknobs. I love doorknobs. I wonder if they have some at the Frit. When you let it cure, you want it to be on a smooth surface and all that. Let's test another mold. Let's keep doing this series. It's been a lot of fun. I really like the excitement of not knowing if the molds are gonna work and maybe getting something epic and being able to give it as a gift to a family member or a friend and just share the joy of concrete with other people. You need a big house to use this. If this works out, it'll make sense when I show you. Boom. So it's a bunch of outlet switches, yeah, just light switches. I don't personally have a 3-light situation. I have 2 lights. In our studio, we don't have that many either. We're gonna find a way to photograph all of these. Maybe get an Airbnb, find a big home. Will I have enough space? Wow, could be pretty cool. This is what we're gonna do. Let's take off all this plastic. This is what we got from the seller. We ordered a lot of blue silicone molds and they sent us a bit of a mixed and match. In French, we call this méli-mélo. So it's like a randomized lot of things that are like similar. And that's what happened here. So yeah, I don't know, like obviously it's annoying. But this plastic here, it's not like this. It's not as strong as this. So we paid for this type of quality, you know, and then some of the molds came in this plastic. But it's gonna be okay. It's still gonna work. Everything's gonna be chill. But yeah, it's not cool when that happened. We've got some feta bowls. I'm just gonna do 3 colors. And we're gonna get our concrete. Got a big old tin. You know, open up the paint can, although it's not paint. Got our crete in here. And we're gonna fill up our bowls. How much do I need? It's pretty thin. I think we're just gonna go with it until I run out. So this one is white. This one is blue, a light blue though. And this one is green. I'm actually kind of excited to see what this is gonna look like. I think there's little things in design that just could be more fun. Like, yeah, why not change your switch? Why is it all so like traditionally the plastic white? Why did we make that the norm? Would be sick. Kind of like, just like Legos, just modifying your house. You could do little stabs too. Get rid of the little lumps. Always wise to do that. And that's like the perfect amount you want, everyone. Before you get any more advanced than like, oh, I need more water. This is it. This is the ideal texture. Look at that. Oh, this is making me think of what's that fake marshmallow? Damn it. My brain's having a blank. That foamy marshmallow growing up, there used to be commercials about it. Okay, someone help me. I'm sure I'm gonna find out. It's gonna come back to me like while I'm editing this. What do I do? I think I'm gonna put some on the table. Okay, like a little burrito. I'm just gonna start like that and use my hands. First mold. It's gonna get messy. Yeah, that looks cool. Don't need a lot at all. Okay. Should have made a mental note of what part of the table I was keeping clean, because it's not clean anymore. This top part here doesn't need concrete, right? Because that's where it's going in. So what you do is you make sure the corners are all good. Some open gaps like here. You don't want to overfill, so we still have a little too much. Put it back in our pile. And there are the... Dang. I'm looking for the screw holes. They're like here. Where is it? Your screw holes like here. Everything that reached to the top of the mold isn't covered, and okay. That was actually pretty easy. So that's the first one here. Let's gotta take all of this. All right. Now you wanted your mix to be a little wet with this kind of mold. Vibrate. You could spill like that, you see? It's like bringing it all the way down. Ooh, looks awesome. Flatten this area. Don't want to overfill. Now these are where the switches go. So you gotta leave that exposed. Gotta be very careful with overfilling with like light switches like this, I've noticed. Because yeah, it's going up against the wall, right? So here I noticed like it's like maybe a little much, but you don't want to overfill because it's going on the wall, up against the wall. And walls, I mean most walls are pretty flat. All right. That one was quick. Pick up an overflow. So satisfying doing this. Okay, I'm back and everything's been cured. I didn't get to do the last few molds because the GoPro started overheating. It's a bit of a heat wave here in Montreal. So yeah, I think that doesn't help either. It's pretty hot in here. And the thing I had to look out for was like all these screw holes here. I had to make sure that the concrete didn't like topple it over. I had to make sure it was perforated in those areas. But the thing I did notice is like some of these molds curved. You can see it right now. This one curved. So I'm not too sure what that's gonna do when it's on the wall. Like this one too, and it cracked. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe that's salvageable. Put some glue on there, but let's. You see the crack? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what's up. Peeling out really nice. That's for sure. But yeah, just it's it's thin, not ideal, but I don't want to crack it. It has to be so soft. Okay, that's not good here. Do you see that? Okay, I think I have to take my sweet old time here. Okay. Oh, nice. Check that out. Maybe I went a little bit too fast. Like that could have been prevented right here. Okay, there's still room for redemption and in the other ones. I'm just gonna do the big ones and get them out of the way. But yeah, super thin. Gotta be careful. Oh, and this one's awesome. Yeah. Hell yeah. Very pretty. I like it. What about this one? Definitely like clean your mold here before you peel it. I didn't do it for all of them, but it helps you get a straight cut. Okay. Oop. Sweet. I really like the colors I chose. Making a nice set here. Same thing here. We've got this. Gonna sand the bottoms here and maybe add some footage in a house when these are set up at the end of this video. But if I don't, then you know it's the struggle that I didn't find anywhere. Or check out our Instagram. I'm probably gonna do this one and this one since I have these in my space in our studio. Overall, I think it works, but like I said, sometimes they need to be curved, and these are all flat. Even though some of the mold's kind of curved, like you see this, I still think we're gonna run into some problems on the wall, perhaps, because they're not bendy and flexible like the ones you have in your house. I mean, wherever you live in the world, I'm sure we all kind of have the same ones. It's like this beige, white, off-white plastic, and it has a bit of bendability to it. This is gonna crack. So yeah, stay tuned. Check out our Instagram. Does it work? Stay tuned.